This is a Golden Companion GC440 scooter, four-wheel scooter with the 6-inch seat lift. So this is a Golden Companion four-wheel scooter with a 6-inch seat lift. Matter of fact, that's the first thing I'm going to show you is the seat lift on this scooter. It goes up 6 inches. So you will be, when you're down at the bottom level, the top of your seat will be about 24 inches. At 6 inches, you'll be at 30 inches. To make the seat go up and down, there's a button right here, right under the tiller. So if you push down on it, or push up, you can see the seat going up 6 inches. There you go. There goes your seat, 6 inches up in the air. That's all the way up to 30 inches. Okay? And you can still drive. Oh, you cannot drive the scooter with the seat elevated. So you would have to have the seat down. There's a sensor on there that tells you the seat is elevated. To bring it back down, push the button down, and your 6-inch seat lift will go back down. You can stop any position you want. The nice thing about this scooter also is that this is a swivel seat, so you can swivel the seat all the way around any position you want. This seat is 19-20 inches wide by 18 deep. 19-20 by 18 deep. The arms do lift up, and they also go out for more width. This scooter is a 400-pound weight capability. It's got 10-inch wheels, 10 by 3-inch wheels. It does have a 400-pound weight capability. It has mirrors, basket. It also has headlights. So if I turn this on and I turn the light off, you can see the front light and the tail lights on the scooter. Okay, so those are your headlights. And it also has a horn. And you have mirrors for both sides on this scooter that comes with it. You have a plastic basket that will not rust on you, that can be removed if you don't want the basket. It does have a handle. When you remove it, you can have your own little handle there. The scooter has a top speed of 5.3 miles an hour, so it's quite a bit fast. 5.3 miles an hour, large solid tires, and they're wide. That's what you need when you're outside, nice wide tire. Not tall tires and narrow, you need short and fat. That gives you a better traction. So again, 400-pound weight capability, four-wheel scooter. The scooter is 24 inches wide. From here to here, it's 24. Now, if you put your arms out more, they'll be wider than the wheels, but it's 24 inches wide. It's 47.5 inches long. From the back to the front, it's 47 inches long. You've got a nice tiller here. I'm going to turn this over here. This is called the tiller, this part right here. There's a handle right here on the back side. If you pull the handle, you can adjust the tiller. You can see the handle right now. You can adjust the tiller in any position you want. So this would be as high as it would be. And that would be a little too high for me. I like to drive right about there. Okay? So that's how you would adjust the tiller. The seat on this chair is a very nice seat. It's a flip-down seat. Okay? As I said, this is a new scooter, so give us a call if you're looking for a scooter with a nice seat lift and everything. This scooter does come apart. So the heaviest part would be about 66 pounds, so it's not light. I can show you real quick how it comes apart. You would take the seat off. You would take the cover off. You would unscrew these two screws back here, which holds the cover. There's two little plastic screws right here. Then you take your cover off. And you can see right here, I'm not going to be able to take it apart because the batteries are tied together from the factory and I'd have to cut these cables off. But you would take the two batteries out, you would disconnect the batteries from here, and the scooter does come apart in the middle here, so you would have the rear end, and this would be your front end. And the heaviest part of the scooter would be, as I said, around 61 to 66 pounds. So it does come apart, but it's, you know, as I said, if you had to take it apart, I wouldn't do it every week. But if you had to take it once every 6 months somewhere and you want to take it apart, you can definitely take it apart. Okay? So it has two batteries in here. These are 35 amp batteries. These batteries will give you about 15 and a half miles on a battery charge. That's the distance you'll get on the batteries. Your seat lift is right between the batteries. You can see your seat lift actuators right here. 15 to 15 and a half miles. That depends on the weight of the user. If you're going uphill, if you're going in the grass, you're going to get more or less distance. So the distance is different for everybody, but on a normal flat surface, 15 to 15 and a half miles is what you're going to get. So I'm going to put this cover back on right here. We're going to snap it into place. We're going to turn these screws back where they're supposed to be. And then we're going to put the seat back on. And when you put the seat on, hold it like this so you can see your pole. And then you just put it on there. Okay? It's very easy to drive. You can go forward right here or reverse on the same side. So if I wanted to do it this way, or put my hand over here, I can go forward, I can drive the scooter with one hand. You can also do it on this side for reverse, forward on the opposite side. Okay? When you charge this scooter, you would take your charger right here in the box. I'm not going to take this one out. I'm going to use one that we have on the ground here so I don't take the new one out of the box. But your charging port for this scooter is right here. So you would pull this lid open right here, plug it right there, plug it into the wall, and as soon as the batteries are full, the charger will stop charging automatically. So as soon as the batteries are full, it'll stop charging automatically. So to recap, this is a four-wheel scooter. It's called the GC440 with the 6-inch seat lift, which you will start at 24 inches and you'll be at 30 inches, 6 inches higher when the seat is all the way elevated. Swivel seat, 4 wheels, 10 by 3.5 inch wheels. They're real wide. Solid tires, 400-pound weight capability, 47.5 inches in length. It's only 24 inches wide. It'll give you about 15.5 miles on the battery charge. It is a key scooter, so once you take the key out, you have 2 keys. You don't have to worry about someone messing with your scooter. You have the basket up front, you have the seat, you have a port back here if you never needed to put a basket or something else on this bar right here, oxygen tank holder, you would do it right here. Another thing with this scooter right here, I forgot to mention, right here is this is why they wouldn't screw earlier, because I didn't have it on there right. So if you wanted to put the scooter neutral right now, you couldn't move it because you can see it's in gear. But if I turn the power off, push this down, now the scooter is in neutral. You can see it moving. Turn the power back on. That tells you you're in neutral. Put it back in gear. And you have to turn the power off. Anytime you put it in neutral, you have to reset the brain. So turn it off, turn it back on, and you're not going to hear this beeping anymore because now you're back in the driving mode. Okay? So that's that. So this is the Golden Companion GC440 with a 6-inch seat lift with solid tires, 400-pound weight capability, mirrors, lights, basket, swivel seat. Very, very sharp with 2 batteries. It'll give you about 15.5 miles on the battery charge. Give us a call. We have this one on special right now. This is what you're looking for. Again, it's got a real nice rubber mat. No more of these felt mat where they always got dirty. This is a rubber mat that can be removed. You've also got a rubber mat here, which is nice for your feet. So give us a call. It's ready to go, and it's a real sharp looking scooter. Alright, this is a brand new Golden Companion GC440 scooter. This is the one with the seat lift. You can see the seat lift going up. This is the one with the 6-inch seat lift. Solid tires all the way around. Mirrors, plastic basket, very solid basket. Headlights, tail lights. This is a new one. So if you're looking for a scooter with a seat lift, This is a real sharp color, really nice scooter. And it's ready to go.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marksmobility.com.